Introducing SNOWPANEL's extended freeze-back strategy. It represents a powerful, field-deployable climate solution, engineered to reverse global warming by physically removing carbon dioxide from the oceans and rebuilding ice mass through artificial snowfall. Using 336 high-capacity centrifugal mist pumps, this system draws dissolved, inorganic carbon-rich seawater or lake outflow and ejects it into sub-zero air as fine, ice-nucleating particles enhanced mist. In cold conditions, this mist rapidly freezes and falls as restored snowfall, restoring the cryosphere where natural accumulation has stopped. To extend its effectiveness, SNOWPANEL integrates renewable wind energy. Turbine wakes are repurposed not only for power, but to create directed airflow. This lifts mist upslope into mountain faces, mimicking orographic snowfall patterns where glaciers once thrived. This wind-enabled enhancement allows freeze-back to continue even in stagnant alpine zones, where natural wind patterns have weakened. Each wind turbine becomes both an energy generator and a climate regenerator, restoring not just energy, but Earth's frozen memory. The full system includes 10 Lighthouse Towers, 10 rotating barge ships, 40 single-pump buoys placed at glacial lake outlets, and 1 major offshore bridge platform, all scaled precisely to meet the deployment of 336 pumps. Together, these elements achieve a planetary-scale impact, the annual removal of 52 gigatons of CO₂, enough to deliver 0.2 degrees Celsius of global cooling every year, or a full 2 degrees per decade. In a world rapidly overshooting climate targets, SNOWPANEL offers a thermodynamic pathway back, not through offsets or promises, but through restored snowfall, wind-driven uplift, and physical CO₂ drawdown. This is not geoengineering, this is cryosphere restoration at scale. This is SNOWPANEL, science and technology you can build today.